Right. Good day, grade 7.
Good day, sir.
How are you guys?
We are very well, thank you. And how are you, sir?
I'm very well, grade 7. Right, I love the energy. Are you ready for maths?
Yes.
All right, okay. Hello, my classmate. Now I'm beginning to welcome to our class and thank you for being my classmate. And I hope you're gonna enjoy maths futhi. But before me now there's someone who's futhi mezingqondo asenze elemental maths and the prefect late, the one and only Andile Dahile. Hello, Andile.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And yourself?
I know I'm good. You ready?
Yes.
All right. I was a mental maths so was ukuthi futhi mezingqondo ke.
Good day, class.
Good day, Andile.
Good day, now my classmate Lapo Ekaya. You know the drill by now. Before siqala lesson, siqala ngani nge-mental maths ukuthi sifudumeze ingqondo zethu. I'm gonna give you 5 sums and I'm gonna give you 15 seconds to solve the sums. But today, mental maths is not multiplication; it is division. I hope you have your pen and paper ready now, my classmate Lapo Ekaya, and your 15 seconds starts now. And stop. Let's go for the solutions. Number 1, 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. B, 90 divided by 10 equals to 9. C, 121 divided by 11 equals to 11. D, 100 divided by 10 equals to 10. And then E, 49 divided by 7 equals to 7. I hope you enjoyed mental maths today. Futhi by now ingqondo sei futhumele, and I hope you're ready for lesson yethu today. Mina sesengiqedile. Anything you have for us today?
Ngibaphathele indaba ezimnandi bayazi ngibaphathele ushukela ne-cream donut. Ngiyabona nawe lapho uphethe namhlanje division
Division.
Thanks, Andile. Right. Okay. Thank you very much, Tahile. All right, that was Andile for mental maths, my classmate. I hope now we are improver. We are sheshisa manje nasesikolweni batshela ukuthi wena manje so yakwazi ukwenza mental maths manje in less than 15 seconds. So mina now my classmate manje ngifuna siyitoro kancane sithi let's go to 8 break and then masibuye and I want to give you a topic namhlanje. Ungayendawo ne siyabuya manje. Welcome back, my classmate. Thank you very much ukuthi mina nawe sase together. Ngiyakubona ukuthi nawe ready. Itopic namhlanje senzayo. We're talking about properties of 0 and 1. Are you ready, guys? Yes. Okay. We talk about properties of 0 and 1. Okay, you might think 0 ngathi akabalekanga, 1 akabalekanga, but these numbers they make a huge difference. All right? Mangithi kuwe 5 times 1 and then 6 times 1. Okay, asenza kanje. What is 5 times 1?
5.
It's 5. 6 times 1? 6. Okay, and then let's say 5 divided by 1? 5. And then let's say 6 divided by 1? 6. So basically, if any number, right, any number that you multiply by 1, it will come back as it is, right? So yonke number when you multiply by 1, ibuya njengoba injalo. Or any number when you divide it by 1, ibuya njengoba injalo. Right? Okay, my classmate, this is very important. So any number that you multiply by 1, it will come back as it is. Just like I showed you, 5 times 1, it's equal to 5. 6 times 1, equal to 6. Same applies with division. 5 divided by 1, it's 5. So why one again? It's because of multiplication and division. These guys, they have a relationship. That is why even from the previous lesson, when we spoke of e board mass, let me write it here. When we spoke of e board mass, we said board mass. Right. So okay, here's your division and multiplication. They are friends. My classmate. So it is very important for you to know these things. Easy. Right. Okay. I guess if I had to ask you a question, 7 times it's equal to 7. What will be the answer here, again, my classmate? What will be the answer, my classmate? 1. Okay. That's it. Alright? So you can find a question like this in a test. Alright? My classmate, be ready. When you question in a test, don't panic. You just plug in the number and then then the teacher alright? Okay. Now let's move to, let's say, let me give you another example. 100 divided by and then it's equal to 100. What would be the answer, Gayala? 1. Easy. Fagu 1, that's it. Why? Because any number you divide by 1, it will. Alright? Easy, ne? Okay. Now, let's move to 0. You might be saying, good now, say, well, 0, man. 0 next. It's nothing. Alright, listen. 0 can play a huge significant role in a rolling kula jalai. Alright? For example, if Sianda 70 rands. Right? And then tomorrow let's put to 0. See how much do we have now? Alright, so 0 I want to go to value now, my classmate. So I'm 30 light, right? But now let's do different properties of 0. So let's say you have 5 times 0 is equal to, and then you have 0 divided by 5. Here we go. What is 5 times 0?
0.
0. What is 0 divided by 5?
0.
What does this tell you? Any number you multiply by 0, kuba answer 0. Any number, if you take 0 divided by any number, answer 0. My classmate, this is very important. Any number, I don't care how much is it, any number, when you multiply by 0, kuba 0. Even if you can say 100 times 0, the answer will be 0. Okay. If you say 1 million times 0, what's the answer?
0.
It's 0. All the time. Don't even think twice. Alright? If I say to you 0 divided by 1 million.
0.
It's 0. Now, what about this one? I love this one again. I love this one. My classmate, right. I guess born. What if we say 5 divided by 0? Yeah. What do you do in this case? What is the answer? 5 divided by 0. The answer should be no solution. My classmate, 5 divided by 0, no solution. This is what you do. Usmile just lol. I know it, undefined or either undefined. Okay. Okay, so either way, you have no solution or undefined. Doesn't matter. Guy 7 guy 3 value no solution.
It's very easy, but it's confusing sometimes between, you say confused between 0 divided by 5, which is it 5 or is it 0? And E5 divided by 0, sometimes we tend to think 5 divided by 0 is 0 instead of spale, no solution or undefined.
Now, most of the time, whenever I mark my paper, you find learners make a mistake between learner 5 divided by 0 or 2 0. If you take a number, you divide by nothing, what would you get? So it's there in easy term. You cannot take a number and divide by nothing. My classmate now, I think you've understood everything, MELANE, properties of 0 and 1. Now, I say Toro, and let's go to ad break. Masbuya. Mina nanzo, nigama question. Mbono guti understand na. Right, unga indaone, nyabuya match. Welcome back, my classmate. Thank you very much. Now we're started together. So we did some introductions, hence my example. So much thing ninga question. Right. Grade 7, are you still with me?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I see any 7. All right. The first question, my classmate, in Pataleona, Inje. It's 4 times 1 plus 3 times 0. Here we go. Right, I see people are writing, that's good. Okay, challenge manje. This is grade 7 trapa. So we have 4 times 1 plus 3 times 0. Okay, so so where do we start? 4 times 1 plus 3 or 3 times, where do we start? Hey, so you must remember. My classmate, so now you do the same. All the time. Okay, so we have multiplication, addition, and multiplication. So Multiplication or addition? Multiplication. Right, so what is 4 times 1? 4. And then what is 3 times 0? 0. Why? They're properties of zeros. So then what is 4 plus 0? 4. Easy. Alright, my classmate, that one is easy. You still apply Potter's rule. Let's look for another question. Alright, question 80. 6 times 0 plus 5 times 0. Where do we start? Multiplication or addition? Multiplication, yes. So we're going to say 6 times 0? 0. Properties of 0, my classmate. Right. 5 times 0? 0. Aha. Snamakanda 2 eggs. And then 0 plus 0? 0. That's it. Easy. Right. Let's look at an example. What if city 11 times 0 plus 8? Right. Multiplication or addition? Multiplication all the time. Because Potter's rule is so what is 11 times 0? Okay?
0.
0. And then plus 8. And then 0 plus 8? 8. It's 8. It's not 0, my classmate. Alright, sharp. Right, do you have any questions? Alright, oh, we have a question. Yeah.
4 times 0.
Yeah.
Mina manga shava isaveti 5 times 0.
Okay. Alright. So basically what you're saying, okay, my classmate. So basically what he's saying, right, if we have 5 times 0, we know what is 0. We said 100 divided by 0, we know what is 0. What if, this is the question, so he's saying, what if it's 0 times 5? Is it still 0? Absolutely yes. The answer is 0. So you like it? All right, thank you, boy. My classmate, I've got some more questions for when. Okay, let's continue. My first question now is 8 times 0 and then brackets divided by 10. There we go. So we have 8 times 0 in brackets divided by 10. What do I do? Do I have to start in the brackets or the division? Brackets first all the time. How do you know? Aha, this guy, Potter's rule, always advising you all the time which one comes first. Alright, so 8 times 0 is 8 times 0? 0. Okay, and then divided by 10. And then 0 divided by 10? 0 all the time. Right, and then another question. Let's go for another question. It's 16 plus 0. And then put it in the bracket. And then divided by 4. Aha. Here's an interesting one. Okay, here we go again. Brackets and then there's a division. Where do we start? Brackets or division? Brackets first all the time. Because our father Lapana Uchi, they start in the brackets. So what is 16 plus 0? 16. Right. Then divided by 4. And then 16 divided by 4? 4. That's it. Easy. Now let's move to the next question. 0 divided by 9. And then brackets plus 7. Okay, we have 0 divided by 9 in brackets and then plus 9. So where do we start? Brackets or addition? Brackets all the time, you know, because Lapani Potter's root is Kalekon. Right, so 0 divided by 9 is 0 all the time, plus 7. Then 0 plus 7 is 7. Well done. Okay, all right, this one is just a bonus question. 15 divided by 0.
No solution.
It's undefined. Okay, undefined. Noma ungati, no solution. Must it undefined, my classmate, or no solution? It doesn't mean good agmelango, but you must write it. Undefined or no solution. Write it. Ungati no, it's undefined, no solution. No, write it so that you show your teacher good when we are yazing in that. Right, and it. Uyabona now, do you have a question for us? Bathini ekhaya my classmate now. Bathumelile nyana ama email bathini my classmate. Yeah.
So we have a question from Usman Ashabalala from Nkatuto. He's asking Uti, he was playing around with his calculator.
Yeah.
And then he was press 11 divided by 0.
Sharp.
So he's asking Uti lo e umelele.
Ooh. What you Usman, eh? Right. Hey, Usman, good question. Pete. I want to get season man. You put like a calculator. Right. Let me tell you. What does it mean? A calculator, basically, in short, it's this. So your calculator was saying undefined or no solution. So that's why I value E. So sometimes other calculators, like smart, your calculator will write something like this. An error. So basically, short, so basically in short, it's undefined, no solution. Okay. Okay, my classmate. My analysis figure like me pertaining to E protein right. So I'm happy with Minanawe Sifundile. I hope even in the next lesson, same time, same place. Minanawe, we're still gonna be together. From Manja, from myself, from MELANE. Thank you very much. Bye bye.